Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a little haul. I did a bit of shopping from Beautylish. I also bought a little something for my handbag, which I'm actually really excited about. I also got a couple of gifts, one from a wonderful company and one from a friend. So I want to share that with you because I'm really excited and really blessed to have these items. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, my name is Kat. I love doing unboxings. I love watching unboxings as well. So if you like that kind of video, I hope you subscribe. And for everyone else, let's get started. I'm gonna start with this box, and I'm just putting my book here to cover my address, but this box is from the most gorgeous, wonderful person, my good friend here, fashionably Amy. She knows that I really like Doraemon, and she was so surprised that Asia didn't get the Doraemon collection from Uniqlo. So I was talking to her about it, and she said that she's gonna send me one, and I was like, oh my gosh, all the way from Canada. This item arrived so quickly, okay? Look at that. So let me just take it out. The other thing that was inside here is these two beautiful masks. So let me show you. It's just a little note from me. And this t-shirt, oh my gosh. You know, this is like, I love it so much. Look at this Doraemon t-shirt. It's actually the kids Doraemon. It is so adorable. My heart just, oh my gosh. I wear a size 11, 12 that fits me just nice. This is 100% cotton and it's such good quality. This Uniqlo kids section Doraemon, they have the cutest designs, and oh my gosh, so thank you Amy for sending me this. This was, oh man, straight to my heart because I love Doraemon. And your girl Amy is super talented, okay? If you don't follow Amy, make sure you do. I will link her channel down below. I also posted on my Instagram when I received it. These two masks, she sewed it herself. Look at this mask. She took the ribbon from, I believe this is like one of the holiday collection ribbons, and she made it. It even has like, you know, distance from your face. Look at the quality of this stitching. It's got elastic bands, and I believe it's a little, she said it's like triple ply, like she's got, yeah, you can feel it when I scrunch the cloth together. They can feel like there's several layers. This is so well made. And she also made me one pink version which has the LV, because you can see like the orange and the blue, it goes so well. Just look at this stitching. He is so talented. I love them so much. I haven't worn them because I know I should. It's just that I'm treasuring it. I'm like, oh my gosh, what if I wash it and I, break it or something? I don't know, but I will. I'm gonna probably wear them, yeah, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going out tomorrow for some fancy event. So I think I will wear them tomorrow. So thank you, Amy. I love the gifts. So thank you. Second item is also a surprise. You all know that I work with Ana Louisa. I've been working with them since last November, and I love their jewelry. Like this necklace, oh my gosh, I can't stop wearing it. I have to tell myself to take it off, wear my other necklaces, because I love this necklace so much. But anyway, I received a notification that something was sent to me, and I had no idea. They actually sent me a jewelry box. And this is so timely because I've been really into my jewelry. Like the next video I'm going to do after this is my current favorites. And I'm going to be talking about some of the jewelries that I've been just absolutely enjoying. So they sent me a jewelry case. Look at this. Isn't that, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So you can hang your necklaces here, and there's a little pocket for you to put, I believe you can put like the rings or maybe something a bit higher because it's like split in two. And then there's this little bag here. So maybe if you don't want to use this, you can just put your jewelry here. Or if you want to, you can put it in another bag and put it inside and just put it like that. I can just imagine myself putting my watch here, my bangles, some of my necklaces, some of my earrings. And I've always wanted a little jewelry traveling pouch. So yeah, thank you to Ana Louisa. This was so unexpected. Hello, Editing Cat here. Guess what? I actually received 2 more packages while I was editing my video, and I thought, let's put it together because I'm really excited about this one. I am dying to open this. I got this from a wonderful subby again. Thank you so much, Jojo. It is, oh my gosh, from the bottom of my heart. I sent it to my PO box. So let's open this one because I kind of know what it is, and oh man, the girl, she is so amazing. We were chatting over Instagram and she's like, babe, I just got it for you. And I was like, oh, again, oh my gosh. So let's take it out. The little note here says that, Kat, I hope you enjoy these goodies from Jojo. Okay. Gosh, people, look at this. Let's open it up. This is a true unboxing. And oh my gosh, anyway, I look like crap because it is so hot here. And oh, you are seeing it for the first time as I am. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Girl, look at these chocolates. Do you know that when I received the first box from her and I saw all these chocolate, I ate like everything. I refused to keep anything for my husband. Supreme, oh my god, you're so amazing. This Whittaker's, or is it Whittaker's? Whittaker's. Whittaker's chocolate. I got goosebumps. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Let me take a photo of it first for the Instagram. Okay, let's oh, I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, let me just take it out. I don't want to cut it, but oh man. Okay, oh, it's like a rubber band. It is the 2 limited edition lipsticks from their first release, and they have been sold out in Singapore and well, they don't even sell it in Malaysia. It just sold out. And we're just chatting, and she's like, I'm gonna get it for you. And I was like, no, and she got it. I was like, oh my god, I'm just like sweating. So you know the packaging, let me just take them out. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh man. I'm sweating, I've got goosebumps. It's the most weirdest feeling ever. Look at that, just... Man. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you again for your generosity. Really have, wow, it's so blessed to have known you on Instagram, so thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Let's get into the not as an exciting unboxing, and this is something that I purchased off iHerb, and what, my gosh, look at that packaging. Actually, if any of you have ever taken these kind of supplements, let me know in the comment section. These are hyaluronic acid supplements, and I'm thinking about taking them not for my skin or anything, but for my knee, because I heard that it's might help with the joints. So I've got 2 let me see how many days. Yeah, 2 months of supply. I'm gonna take them because my knee joint, because of all my class teaching, it's getting a little bit nasty. I'm feeling a lot of hip pain and knee pain and all, and I think it's just me overusing my kneecap, which I shouldn't be. I should be actually focusing on strengthening my whole leg, but because of my classes. So anyway, I read that hyaluronic acid is actually really good, and I don't know if it actually helps. I just read that it might. So I'm gonna try and I'll let you know, okay, if it works out, because it's actually hydrolyzed collagen type 2. So collagen has a few types: collagen type 1, type 2, type 3. And for the joints, for all the pains that you get, you know, the collagen that's between your joints, that's actually collagen type 2. So when we take a lot of these collagen supplements from marine and bovine and all this, they're mainly collagen type 1 and type 3, which is good for like hair and nails and skin and everything, but they're not so they're not really targeted for joints. So when I read that this one has collagen type 2, I thought I'd give it a try. So I'll let you know, and I'll try these for 2 months. And if I do see an improvement, I will, yeah, definitely report back. I have taken a hyaluron injection for my kneecap before. That's like, you know, straight into the kneecap and you expand and give it some hyaluronic acid between the joints. And honestly, it helps. Like, it really, I felt like there was a difference between my joint. So yeah, anyway, so that is what that's the other unboxing. So back to the other cat. Look at this gigantic Beautylish box. This arrived so quickly. I ordered this about 3 days ago from the States. Beautylish is based in America, and it arrived today. That is just insane, the speed. That is like, I bought so many things, right? Okay, wow, look at that. They have this black and then they wrap it like this. Oh my gosh! I have a, oh wow! Oh wow! They've got a little sample here. I've got a little sample bronze palette eyeshadow. This was unexpected. I didn't expect to receive this. The color Silk. Oh, thank you, Beautylish. I love. Okay, so what I ordered was a big tub of collagen powder. Alright, wait. Let me show you the main. Okay, this is not the main thing that I purchased. The main thing that I purchased was this little brush. This brush was launched, that day itself, and I knew I had to get it because I love the original version. This is the Sonia G. I think it's called the Smooth Buffer Brush. That's beautiful. Let me just take it out of packaging. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So this is the Sonia G Smooth Buffer Brush. It's slightly smaller than the original, and I love the original Phase 1 brush. So when Sonia G announced that she was going to create this brush, and it's coming out because the other brush, the Phase 1 brush, has been out of stock for, I think, easily a year, because the last time I bought it was, it feels like a year ago, and it hasn't been able to come back in stock. But this is a smaller version of that. And honestly, it's maybe slightly smaller. This is amazing. If you love makeup, this is a brush that you will find to be super, super handy. When you finish your makeup, use a bit of setting powder or some kind of like the Guerlain Meteorites powder. Put a little bit of this and buff your skin. Oh my gosh, it buffs away all your mistakes. So this is slightly smaller, but I feel it's the same. Yeah, it's got the same tension. So maybe you can work with smaller areas that you want to buff, like maybe around the cheeks here, right? The nose. Because the Phase 1 brush is a little bit bigger. Obviously, it will cover like their face faster. But this is also really good, and I think it'd be great for traveling. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, so I had to get this because, oh man, Sonia G brushes, they sell out so fast. I will link it down below, and I don't know if it's still in stock. Get free shipping from America. I think you need to spend, I believe it was $100. So this was $70, and I needed something else to top it up. So I was talking to Clara, and she was telling me how amazing Vital Proteins collagen has been for her. And she said that this version, which is the collagen from bovine, I believe it's like the cows and all, she said it's been amazing for her skin, and her skin is glowing. Everything's just amazing. So I was tempted, and I decided to get collagen as well. If any of you have tried Vital Proteins, let me know in the comment section. I wanted the marine, the shellfish version, but that was sold out. So this was the only one that came in the big tub. So let's open it. I do take collagen from my knee, and that's almost finished. So this is like awesome timing. Oh my gosh, it's such a huge tub. Okay, it comes, all right, 2 scoops is 20 grams of, 20 grams of collagen. That's quite a lot, huh? That's good. So it's like this. Let's open it. I don't know if it smells of anything. Oh, okay, it's covered, so you know it's sealed, and yeah, it's a new bottle. Okay. Oh, it's like milk powder. Doesn't really have much of a, it doesn't really have much of a smell. It's supposed to be flavorless. So it says here, 20 grams of collagen per serving. It's great for your skin, hair, nail, and joint support. Grass-fed and pasture-raised unflavored dietary supplement. So I will start to take this probably tomorrow. And yeah, I'll let y'all know maybe in like 2 or 3 weeks if you see my skin to start to glow. This will probably be the reason. Final thing that I picked up is in this little package. It isn't very interesting, but let me tell you, I am so excited about these. Now, this is the second time I'm purchasing it, and these are little rings. So the first time I purchased it on Shopee, which is a e-commerce site in Asia, I bought these rings. And the mistake was I didn't read it properly, and these are just solid rings. You can't press it down or you can't open it. It's just basically round metal rings. So I realized that I purchased it wrongly, so I repurchased it from another seller, and it's 4 rings for the price of $5, or was it even less? Maybe $5. Yeah, it's like $1 per ring. And these are the ones that I was looking for. So you see these rings? Let's take one. And you can actually open it and it's like a spring. Now the reason I got these is because I was watching another YouTuber, LV Coffee Lover, and she has the same petite Noe bag and she has these handles. Now I do find that this is actually a good, well, for me it's pretty good, but I was wondering if I extended it a little bit taller, what would it be like? So I haven't tried it, so I'm gonna try it together right now by putting this ring here, this, and then hooking this guy here. Oh, look at that. It's like an extender. Okay, let me try the other side. Oh my gosh, it's taller now. Okay, so yeah, it sticks out a little bit like that. Maybe it doesn't look so good, but now it's so much more like lifted. Isn't that great? Okay, you gotta like this look though, but well, you don't actually need it, but I thought I wanted to try to see if that would extend the bag a little bit taller. That's actually really good. So if you think this is too big, I will leave the link to the Shopee seller that was selling this rings. I think he has like a smaller size. Maybe this is like the largest one because I wasn't really sure. Maybe I'll just order like the slightly smaller ones so that this circle's not too big. But yeah, so if you have any bags that you want to, I don't know, extend or something, you can get these kind of like spring key rings or I don't know what they call key rings, I guess, the spring versions, and you can use it as to extend your bag. Now I didn't get the one from Tiffany from LV Coffee Lover because I believe hers was on Amazon or eBay and it was more expensive in USD, but these are like local local Singapore, and I believe they ship it from China. So that's my last item in this little haul. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions about these items, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everybody please take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye!